Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy animals. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including fresh cotton candy, various food colorings, and any edible decorations you plan to use. Begin by taking a small amount of cotton candy and gently compressing it into a firm, round ball. This will serve as the main body of your animal. Remember to handle it lightly to maintain its fluffy texture. Now, let's add some character to your creation. Take smaller portions of cotton candy and shape them into ears, legs, or tails. Carefully attach these pieces to the main body by gently pressing them together. The stickiness of the cotton candy will help them adhere. For vibrant details, use food coloring pens or a fine brush with diluted food coloring to add eyes, noses, or stripes. Be precise with your application. For more intricate designs or larger animals, you might need a little extra support. Small toothpicks can be used internally to stabilize limbs or heads. Just be sure to remove them before serving. Alternatively, a dab of edible glue can help secure delicate parts. If you're making a bigger animal, consider creating a sturdy base from hardened candy. Remember, cotton candy is sensitive to moisture, so work efficiently to prevent it from melting. To complete your adorable cotton candy animal, add some final decorative touches. A sprinkle of edible glitter or some colorful sprinkles can make your creation truly sparkle. Carefully place your finished animal on a decorative plate or a cupcake liner for presentation. They make fantastic party favors or unique dessert toppings. Don't forget to check the description below for links to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.